So, based on what I saw, 23, we're going to review vertical angles. Because I think you got yesterday's, right? Like, if this is a triangle, yes or no. I think most of you understood that. Might throw it into a homework. All right, iPad should be not active. All right, so we'll start off with an easy one. Super easy. Super easy. Level 0.0001. So if this is 130, what is x equal to?
130.
130, right? Okay. If this is x plus 20, and this is 130. So this is easy. So x plus 20 and 130. So what is x equal to? 110, right? So it's x plus 20 is equal to what? 130. Right? So knowing this information, like, okay, so these two are equal to each other. So whatever is here is also here. Same thing here. Whatever is here is also here. But I'm not solving for the angle. The angle is 130, but I want to know what x is. Oh, so it's x plus 20 is equal to 130. So subtract 20, x is equal to 110. Notice that we're setting them equal to each other, not equal to 180, not equal to 90. These are equal to each other. Are we okay with that? Okay. What if it's x over 3, and this is, let's say, just real easy, 100. So x over 3 is equal to, Dylan, write this down, Brian, 100. How do I, yeah, this is divide, so what's the opposite? Multiply by 3. So we're not dividing because we're already being divided, so we have to do the opposite, and that's how we get 300. Okay? That makes sense? Be careful. Every time it looks like a fraction, you are going to multiply. All right, are we okay with this? So this is level, 1. Now let's talk about level 15. All right, 3,000.
We're not gonna go all the way to that.
Thank you. A student complained about my sarcasm. Can you believe that?
Really?
Yeah. I don't know. They don't like that I'm sarcastic.
That's really annoying because I like being sarcastic.
Right? I mean, sarcasm is, it's...
I don't like being take the sense out of me.
All right, did we copy it down? Okay. Can you set up your equation? So, these are vertical angles, so that means that they are equal to each other. So set up the problem where they're equal to each other. Set up the problem where they're equal to each other, just like you did the one right before it.
4x minus 6 equals 2x plus c.
Yes. So you take this, and you set it equal to this, just like you did on the top. Okay, it's just a lot more things to write down, but it's literally the same thing as this. These two are equal, these two are equal. So these two are equal. Boom. Now, since I got x's on the both sides, I got to move the x to one side.
2x.
So do I move the 4x or do I move the 2x?
2x.
Always move the smaller one. How do I move it? So we're taking it as a group. We're not dividing by 2. We're not leaving x. We're taking x with us. So what is 4x minus 2x? 2x. What else do I have on that side? Minus 6 is equal to what's on this side?
60.
Okay, now it becomes a super, super easy problem to solve. Yep, plus 6 plus 6.
And then it's 30.
X equals 30.
Good.
There we go.
At this is basic 7th grade math. Solving this is basic 7th grade math. You should be going into 8th grade having these problems be like 1 plus 1 to you. This is advanced 7th grade when you have x's on both sides. That's it. So this is the only step that makes it advanced. At this point, this should now be treated as like, oh, this is like easy, 1 plus 1. Good. It should be. Um, 5x minus 30 is equal to x plus 70?
I think that'll work.
I think so too. So we have 5x minus 30 is equal to x plus 70. Move the smaller x, which is just x. So minus x minus x. Remember there's an invisible 1 in front, right? So that would be 4x minus 30 is equal to 70. Plus 30 plus 30. 70 plus 30 is 100 is equal to 4x. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. X equals 25. Ta-da! So I taught you how to solve for x, right? You already did that. You were a bit too busy on your phone or anything like that. You solved for x. Now, what does the M stand for?
Measure.
Good.
Measurement.
Measure. What does that symbol mean?
Angle.
Angle. Very good. POS. So this reads as the measure of angle POS. Where is POS? So this is where you trace. Start with the dot P. O-S. P-O-S. Oh, so they want to know this angle. Oh, that's easy. How do I figure out that angle?
180 minus 126.
No. What do I do?
You make an equation of x plus 26 equals 180.
No.
X plus 21 plus 26.
So 180 minus 26.
Oh, 147.
26 is this number. 126 is that number. Is that even the angle? No. 126 is that, x. What is the measure of the angle?
36. Of which angle? Wait, which?
Well, because you guys keep telling me 126, 126. What number should I use? Yeah, it should be. So let's not call it x. Let's call it y. So it would be y plus 147 is equal to 180. Because look, what does that make?
Oh.
You guys see the straight line? So it's 147.
Oh, I see it.
Because and I can do it this way too.
Oh, it's a supplementary angle.
Just
Really?
yes, yes. And what do we get?
33.
Oh, yeah, 33. I messed up again. Yes, 33. I want a baked potato.